नजर आ रहा है।
Thank you very much, Taha. Thank you very much for giving us an update on the market. अब कुछ बाकी चीज़ों की तरफ आ जाते हैं। यहाँ से अब आगे जाके मरीन प्रॉपर्टी वगैरह other than motor आप किस पर ज़्यादा concentrate कर रहे हैं?
I would like to concentrate on marine imports. Marine imports, that is the major thing, and construction business. That we call construction all risk business. Now the amount of investment coming into the country, you got Emaar coming in, you got the Hurair Giga coming in, and you got so many and hotels coming in Islamabad, hotels coming into Lahore. Now these are the places where we get a lot of business. So engineering, we call it engineering business. Now this has also a big development taking place in the country. So we are concentrating on that, as we always do. But now as infrastructure project goes up, our premiums will go up.
Now let's come to your investment income. Investment income की contribution 86.4% थी 2005 में. That is very impressive अगर आप एक साइड से देखें, but on the other end जब आप इस तरफ से सोचें कि वो आपका core business नहीं है, तो a shareholder starts getting worried. दूसरी चीज जो at least equity market, and obviously you can invest in fixed income here and there, या private equity कर लें, that's different, उसमें cost भी ज़्यादा associate हो जाती है. लेकिन जो equity market है फिलहाल, आपने कहा कि अभी बात सुनी कि इस वक्त आजकल क्या सूरत हाल है मार्केट में, sentiments बहुत depressed हैं. How will you be able to replicate this?
If you analyze our investment portfolio, it is the most diversified portfolio amongst all insurance companies. We have in equity to an extent, we are into fixed income instruments, and we are also in a very big way into property business. Now property is giving us excellent appreciation and excellent returns today, because property is really booming, and the rentals that we get, if you see our last year, we earned more than about 15% on the rental values, and we have lovely buildings in Pakistan, and where we make a lot of money. And I personally feel that this is good business for the company.
That is fine, that is all right. लेकिन property business में जब EFU अपने insurance business से ज़्यादा पैसे कमाएगा, तो कुछ nervousness तो आएगी.
Nervous तो नहीं होना चाहिए. If the opportunity is there and if you have the money, why not invest and make money on it?
नहीं, जब तक core business से income नहीं generate करता ज़्यादा, if the tilt is more than 50% on the other side, तो एक natural सवाल उठ जाता है कि अपने core business से उतनी generation नहीं हो रही.
I will explain to you, because now EFU will always be in that scenario. Being a 75-year-old company,
आपका actually जो portfolio size है वो इतना बड़ा हो गया.
You see. So our income, our investment income will always be much more than our underwriting income, because of our huge portfolio. Today our 10 billion is our portfolio investment into various businesses. So to say that, I think I would tell my shareholders not to become nervous on this issue at all. They should be very happy that their
so buying an EFU share is like buying a mutual fund.
Buying, if you say so. But one must never forget, because if my shareholders say, oh, you're making more money through your like a mutual fund, I say, where did the money come from? Did you give me the money, or made I business through core business? Correct? So the money has come through the core business. Obviously. One should never forget that. Obviously. Mutual fund, the money is not core business. Mutual fund is investment. Is it very clear to you and to the shareholders? So the money has been made through core business, because some of our major shareholders also sometimes feel that way. और आप तो पैसे बना रहे हैं अपने इन्वेस्टमेंट इनकम से, तो भाई इन्वेस्टमेंट इनकम के लिए पैसे आए कहाँ से? आपने तो नहीं दिए, हमने कमा के दिए. हमारे फील्ड वर्कर्स ने कमा के दिए.
I rest my case. Obviously that is true. अब जो आपका claims ratio है, इस पे हमने बात की कि it took a jump. अब calamities का तो और कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता. ऑटो में आपने बताया कि उसमें आपने अपनी कॉस्ट को जो एसोसिएटेड कॉस्ट है उनको बहुत कम कर लिया. इन जनरल आप अपने क्लेम्स के अगेंस्ट क्या रिस्क मैनेजमेंट कर सकते हैं इन द फ्यूचर ताकि क्लेम्स टू प्रीमियम रेशियो कम आए?
वी गॉट टू अंडरराइट आवर रिस्क्स बेटर. We got to do a lot of risk management, which we are doing. We have a separate department on risk management, and we are the first general insurance company in the country to have employed an actuary, and we will depend on our actuary to give us the right terms, conditions on which we should do our business, so that we do it more profitably. And this is a great thing for our shareholders to know, that we are the first general insurance company to have employed an actuary
That is surprising. बाकी किसी इंश्योरेंस कंपनी के पास एक्चुअरीज नहीं है?
नहीं, not
लाइफ इंश्योरेंस में होंगे, लाइफ में तो होंगे
बहुत,
बट जनरल इंश्योरेंस में किसी ने नहीं रखा।
किसी के पास भी नहीं।
Why is that?
I don't know. I think because
आपने भी कितने साल के बाद रखा?
हाँ, इसीलिए कि ये भी बड़ा मुश्किल से रखा। Because when I wanted to employ one since last 3-4 years now, but I couldn't get one. So the moment I would tell an actuary that you work for a general insurance company, his mindset was कि नहीं जनरल इंश्योरेंस तो एक्चुअली होता ही नहीं, तो लाइफ का मेरी ट्रेनिंग ही लाइफ की है, तो मैं क्या करूंगा? तो I have taken upon the responsibility to train him in general insurance. I will use my influence with Allianz, with whom we have a joint venture, to send him and train him there to how to run a general insurance company and give us terms, conditions, rates. Like life insurance, you open a book and say this is the rate for your age, and you charge that. You don't really play around there.
But ये कि एक innovatively device करें एक system जिसमें फायर हो, प्रॉपर्टी हो, मरीन हो, ऑटो हो, based on certain rationales, वो एक मॉडल्स बनाए जिससे रेट डिटर्मिनेशन बेहतर हो सके।
Inshallah, this is what we expect him to do. He's just joined about now 3-4 months, and hopefully in a year or so we should be having, at least for the small businesses where we are talking about motor business.
I hope this man has very broad shoulders, क्योंकि काफी बड़ी जिम्मेदारी है जो आप उन्हें देने लगे।
We will back him. We will make his shoulders stronger.
बिल्कुल,
the management will make him strong.
बातचीत जारी रहेगी जुमखावाला साहब के साथ। इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री obviously it constitutes less than 0.5% of our country's GDP. मेरा ख्याल है ये कहने की भी जरूरत नहीं कि रीजनल कंपैरिजन और ग्लोबल कंपैरिजन में ये कितना नंबर नीचे आता है। इंश्योरेंस कंपनी में क्या ऐसे ट्रेंड्स हैं जिनको मद्देनजर रखते हुए हम ये सोच सकते हैं या देख सकते हैं आने वाले अरसे में कि ये ग्रोथ आएगी और किन सेगमेंट्स में आएगी, और इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री एज अ होल क्या इकदाम कर रही है, रेगुलेटरी इन्वायरमेंट कैसी है, इज इट कंड्यूसिव और नॉट, मैक्रो ग्रोथ ऑफ द इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर, इस पर हम मजीद बात करेंगे एक छोटी सी ब्रेक के बाद। देखते रहिए पावर लंच। वेलकम बैक, आप देख रहे हैं पावर लंच। सैफुद्दीन जुमखावाला साहब, सीईओ ऑफ ईएफयू जनरल इंश्योरेंस हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं। जुमखावाला साहब, 0.5% ऑफ जीडीपी से कम है इस वक्त इंश्योरेंस इंडस्ट्री का साइज। नीडलेस टू से इसमें पोटेंशियल बहुत है ग्रोथ का। कितना पोटेंशियल है ये आप हमें बताइए।
अनलिमिटेड पोटेंशियल। वी आर ourselves I would say to be blamed of not going into the direction that we should be going into. But as they say, the water flows in the direction that it is led to. So eventually it is going in that direction now. You may have seen some boards of AIGs these days, shatter your dreams and shatter something like that. And I think
और ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस के पहले इतने ज्यादा विजिबल नहीं थी इंश्योरेंस की एडवर्टाइजिंग,
अब बहुत विजिबल है, बिकॉज एक तो compulsory insurance brings it adds to the volumes, because Schengen countries will not give you a visa
unless you do that.
So the premium levels for travel insurance, health travel insurance has gone up considerably. We also have a counter at the airport which is picking up very well. Mashallah, it's doing
EFU का भी है,
EFU का ही है,
ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस
हमारा ही है, और किसी ने गए ही नहीं वहां पर अभी तक,
या उनको जगह नहीं मिली।
नहीं, ओपन है,
सुबह ही जाते हुए लोग ले रहे हैं ट्रैवल इंश्योरेंस।
पीपल बाय, अपने जाते हुए ले लेते।
किस एरिया में, लाइक ट्रैवल तो एक बहुत छोटा नीश सेगमेंट है, सबसे ज्यादा पोटेंशियल किस एरिया में?
मैं समझता हूं पर्सनल लाइन बिजनेस कहना चाहिए हमें।
हेल्थ,